Hello and welcome to the online portion of the Sunshine Coast Health Center's recovery program. My name is Paul McIsaac and I'm one of the clinical counselors here. This is the second of 5 videos in a series dealing with the topic of emotions and addiction. According to a recent analysis of brain studies by Dr. Rudy Loisel, all brains originated from one single common ancestral brain that emerged at least 700 million years ago. The finding suggests that this ancestral brain, for all creatures with a central nervous system, such as insects, birds, mammals, and humans, evolved before each species underwent its own evolutionary process. To quote Dr. Loisel, what we see today in humans, insects, and all other multicellular animals with a central nervous system are probably just variations of one ancient scheme. But not only have our brains evolved from a source common to other mammals and insects, the physical processes of the modern human brain have much in common with those of other mammals. Researcher Dr. Jack McIsaac writes, "It is noteworthy that no neurotransmitter or neuromodulator has been discovered in humans that is qualitatively different from those found in other mammals. In fact, all mammals share remarkably similar anatomical distributions of most neurochemical systems within their brains." In one of his textbooks, Effective Neuroscience, McIsaac claims good biological evidence for at least 7 innate emotional systems that are genetically encoded into the subcortical neurocircuitry of the mammalian brain. McIsaac has created short names for these 7 systems and even uses all capital letters to designate their significance. Number 1, seeking, for anticipation or desire. Number 2, rage, for frustration, restraint, or indignation. Number 3, fear, for pain, threat, or foreboding. Number 4, panic or loss, for separation, distress, social loss, grief, or loneliness. Number 5 is play, for rough and tumble, carefree play or joy. Number 6 is mating, for copulation, whether it be for reproduction or for pleasure. And finally, number 7, care, for maternal nurturance. What does this research mean to those of us in recovery? McIsaac argues that these various evolutionary adaptive functions of the brain have shaped the fundamental emotional or affective systems of the mind. But a key function of the brain is to generate psychological processes that regulate behavior. Thinking, perceiving, feeling, behaving, even getting addicted are not just properties of brain molecules. Raw feelings go back in brain evolution. Affects created by ancient brain chemistry control basic emotions and motivations today. So, an understanding of affective processes may well be essential for us to understand addictions. This is Paul McIsaac for the Sunshine Coast Health Center's recovery program. Thank you for watching.